Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says how many 3 cross 3 skew symmetric matrix can be formed using the numbers this? Any number can be used any number of times, but 0 can be used at most 3 times. Great. First, try to understand what is skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to minus of A, it is skew symmetric matrix. Now, suppose that we are interested in making skew symmetric matrix. So you know that it will have diagonal elements as 0. So suppose it is 0, A, B, C, 0, E, wait, I'll place. So suppose 0, 0, 0. B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is the first condition what I did. I have placed diagonal elements as 0. Now you know that here if you are placing B, you should place minus of B over here. If you are placing C, you have to place minus of C over there. If you are placing here F, you have to place minus of F over here. Correct? Now, so we need a number and then we need negative of it, and we need three different numbers. So look at this. Negative of number is used. Minus 2, 2 is there. Minus 1, 1 is there. This means we guys cannot use 3 and 4 because its negative is not possible. It is not there. It is absent. And they are already saying that 0 can be used at most 3 times, which we already did. So we cannot overuse this thing. So we have last hope on 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. Now let's go with the required number. Now in this place you have no choice but to fill 0, so one choice. In this place you have four choices. In this place you have four choices. In this place you have only one choice, that the negative of this, so it is 1. In this place you have one choice, that is 1. In this place again you are having four choices. In this place one choice. In this place one choice. In this place only one choice, that is 0. So it is 64. Okay, so the total number of matrix that is possible is 64. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.